It was good, y'all. So 2011 Chevy Camaro. Today we finna do a radiator flush. Let's get straight into it. You know what I'm saying? I already got it set up. I got my distilled water. Make sure it's distilled, and got my antifreeze right here. In my opinion, you're always better off just going with the concentrate instead of the 50-50 mix, because they pretty much cost the same price. So out of this one, buy this and distilled water, and you pretty much get 2 times as much as you would get just buying 1 bottle of the 50-50 mix, because like I said, they pretty much cost the same. So doing a flush today, a bunch of distilled water. I got some more in the house. So yeah, let's get straight into it. You know what I'm saying? Open up this hood. Boom. And let's see what we got here. First off, you want your overflow for your your overflow tank for your antifreeze. I'll take that off to let it flow a little bit better. And let's see, I'm looking for a radiator cap. I don't really see one though. Guess I should have looked for this before. So I don't think this is it. Alright, my bad, y'all. So had to flip my engine cover up. Here go the cap right here. I already unscrewed it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But you want to take this off so that it's able to, you know, actually drain out of your radiator good. I usually put like a towel or something over stuff like that while I'm doing it, just so you know, don't nothing else get up in there. So I'm gonna do that in a second, but I want to show y'all up underneath here where the radiator plug is at. So the radiator plug, give me a second. Radiator plug, boom. So you drop down underneath the front of your car, over towards the driver's side on my car. We look at this bolt hole for the front bumper, and it's pretty much, y'all see that right there. So it got a little hole on it. Let's see if y'all can. Trying to give y'all a good view. All right there. So you see, boom, there's a hole on it where it's gonna come out, and here's a little thing at the end that you twist to release and let it flow out, and you twist it closed to close it up. So it's toward the driver's side of the car. If you got space to look up under there, it should be fairly easy to see. So that's where it's at. Got some other tubes and stuff running, but that's it right there. Alright, so hopefully that's a good enough view for y'all. I don't know how tight that plug is gonna be, so I also got a set of pliers just in case I need them. And 2 drain pans. So let's go ahead and get that off. Let what's in there drain out, and let's get to it. Let's see what direction this thing gotta turn. Kind of a weird little nook and cranny, so it is a little bit awkward reaching up in here. I will say that. It makes it easier. Use a set of pliers just to get it going. Once you get it going, Alright, I'm back. My bad. I just had to turn it a little more. Just had to turn it a little more. So it's coming out now. Let's see if I can get the flow a little bit more. Speed this process up a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. After that's drained, I get back to y'all, and pretty much the next step is after that drains out, plug it back up, and I'll fill the radiator with straight distilled water. Turn the car on, let the straight distilled water run through the system, get it up to operating temperature. So I may drive it up the street, you know, drive it for a couple minutes, come back, let it sit on, then I'm gonna drain it and see what the water look like. Alright y'all, so I finished draining. I plugged the drain back up, and I'm not really gonna show y'all what came out, because I used the same drain pans that I use like for oil and stuff, and there's still some residue in there and it looked kind of crazy, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't even gonna show y'all that, but from what I can tell, it didn't look bad coming out. It looked pretty decent. So this should be this shouldn't be like a horrible dirty flush or nothing like that. So got my distilled water. I'm gonna go ahead and gloop, 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 gloop. Fill that radiator back up. I'm all out of frame. And make sure it's not leaking. Make sure that drain, yep, no drips. Drain is closed. So all right. So we're gonna close this up. And close this up. I'm even gonna put a little bit in the overflow. Actually, no, I'm not gonna put nothing in the overflow. Yeah, I'll put a little bit in the overflow. And get this cover back on and get ready to ride for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Get everything back up to operating temperature. And yeah. Alright y'all, so I done hit the road a little bit, got it up to operating temperature, you know what I'm saying? While you doing that, you want to probably turn your heat on full blast. As you can see, it's getting dark out here, so I'm gonna, you know, finish everything up off camera. This video was pretty much to show y'all where everything is at, what you need to do. At this point, you know what I'm saying, I can either do it tonight or I can do it tomorrow, because I don't gotta go nowhere early, you know. But pretty much drain the water that's in there, see what it's looking like, decide if you want to do another flush of the radiator. If the water's real dirty, then you're gonna want to do another flush. another round of straight water. If not, if it's looking good, you pretty much want to do it till it come out clear. If it's clear at this point, you know what I'm saying, then I can go ahead and mix up my antifreeze, half water, get that 50-50 mix, fill the radiator, and put some in my overflow tank. But like I said, I'm gonna do this off camera because it's getting dark, getting late out here. Oh, and do not forget, once you run your car, make sure you let it cool down. Make sure you turn it off and let it cool down first before you touch that radiator cap. Be sure of that. Do not you know, turn it off and go ahead and go straight for the radiator cap and drain it again and see what's up. You better let your engine cool down first. Just remember that. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. If this helps you out at all, go ahead and leave a like. Got any questions, hit up the comment box. And as of now, squad.